When you hear the word sustainability, parang ang big word niya, di ba? Pero kapag umikot ka dito sa IKEA, you'll really feel that sustainability can be a part of our everyday lives. So it's in the small things, the small changes lang that can help us live more sustainably. And it's not just to help save the planet. It can also help us save costs. We are about to find out how IKEA makes sustainability part of everything they do. And again, I know it sounds complicated or even expensive, pero sa totoo lang, simple siya. And IKEA wants to help us Filipinos live more sustainably at home. IKEA sustainability goes all the way down to this iconic Fracta shopping bag. Is that true?
That's true. So here you see all of the multi-purpose bags that we have. They're made from 60% polypropylene plastic. It's been an iconic trademark for IKEA for decades now. We have the smaller one over here, Bratby, and then the two middle size, and then we have this big one, which has a zipper,
Wow.
and I think it's really, really big. You can even use it as a backpack, like this, if you want, right? So then you can really carry stuff around.
Yeah.
So it can be all fashionable.
Super chic.
Yeah, and did you know that these are lifetime warranty too? So if it breaks, you can bring it back and you will get a new one.
What?
Yeah, it can. So this is part of the green thread. It's a bunch of green dots all across the store where we talk about all of the things that we care about the most. So in this case, we have cotton and textiles. Our cotton is all certified by the Better Cotton Initiative, which means that it's all sustainably harvested, and we also take care of the water responsibly. In this case, we have Trattviva, and this is all made from reusable and recyclable material. Maybe it was a PET bottle before or something, soda bottle.
Wow. And now it's this.
Now it's this.
So yeah, I heard there's something here called the circular hub. What is that?
That's right. Circular Hub is in the end of our green thread in the self-serve area right before checkout. And that's where we sell our pre-loved furniture or anything that customers return. We will also have some demos and where we can invite customers to come and learn more about sustainability. And the last thing is that we will have a window where you can look into the recovery department and see our recovery people in action, repurposing and refurnishing and upcycling our stuff so we can sell it again, so we minimize trash and landfill. So this is wall decoration, and here we have a bunch of mirrors in front of us. And even for the mirror production, we don't use any kind of chemicals that are bad for you, and they're lead-free. And so when you look at it, you're looking good and you're doing better. So this rug is super traditional in Swedish homes. It's called trasmatta, which is loosely translated to rag rug. So you take all of your leftovers in your home and then you get you make one of these rugs, and why they all look so unique.
And it's so thick. Like, it's really durable.
This one
and
will last you
thick and-
forever. I don't know anyone who actually worn out a rag rug like this.
Auntie, nasaan ka na? Halika na dito.
Hey! Andito na ako!
Saan? Uy! Ay! Halika na. Ito ha, I want to introduce you, Auntie, to Miss Eileen. Siya ang IKEA Pasay City Deputy Store Manager.
Hi, Bianca. Hi, Auntie Julie. So, welcome. So, I'm so happy to inform you about our collaboration with Rags to Riches. So, we collaborated with them because we share the same sustainability agenda of being climate positive. Kasi, di ba, they employ local artisans.
Yeah.
So, in terms of climate naman, ito yung how do we control or yung mga excess na mga textiles. materials.
Yes,
Yes.
I love it. Speaking of, may nakita akong magandang tela kanina doon,
Actually, ang dami
Auntie.
ko rin nakita.
Diba? Pwede ba yun ipa-alter dito?
Yes, of course. So yung altering is one of the service that we provide. So after you mag-purchase, you can go to Rags to Riches and you request for that.
Oh my God, Bianca, that's exciting!
Good morning po.
Gandang umaga!
Good morning! So, chika niya naman sa amin, ano yung Rags to Riches?
So, ang Rags to Riches po, siya po ngayon ang official na sewing service ng IKEA Philippines.
Wow!
So, tama ba? We have tela. Pwede naming ipatahi dito?
Yes, basta ang tela po nabibilit po dito sa IKEA, tapos dito ipapatahi sa amin, tatanggapin po namin. Pwedeng gawing cushion cover, seat cover, o kaya yung cortina, o anything na basta ang materials is galing dito.
Pwede rin
Yes.
mga table
Pwede na.
Ay, wow!
runners.
Madami! Eh baka naman you can create a gown for me or, fashionable apron.
Pwede naman yun, pero i-customize talaga siya.
Oh, so that's it?
Yes, and always remember that sustainability can start with the small things. Ika nga nila, if we all do a little, we can do a lot to help save our planet.
Oh yes, Bianca, that's so true. At sana naman nag-enjoy talaga kayo dito sa pinakatodong tour namin dito sa IKEA Pasay City. The biggest in the world. Oh, the universe rather.
Wow, talaga naman. And we are so excited na ma-experience nyo ang store na ito for yourself. But don't forget,
No booking, no shopping!
So if you are looking for well-designed functional items for your home,
At syempre sa wide selection of food dito sa IKEA.
or find ways to live more sustainably, let us make life amazing at home.
Bye!